Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raj, and we're continuing the bash scripting uh, video, and this is my fourth video on it. And today we'll be discussing about the regular expressions. Uh, okay, it is a tool used to search, match, and validate the patterns in the text or a string. It allows you to define a specific search pattern using a special character to match the complex text format like email address, phone numbers, file extensions, etc., and many more. Okay, so regular expression are used in the some of the following conditions. That would be like with commands like double braces and equals to measure basis specific. That's called basis specific. It is, and in the tools like grep, scd, awk, and for the pattern matching, validation, filtering, and many more. We'll see now. We'll take some of the example for this. That would be like finding a valid input or not. It is a valid input in the given or not. Okay, so let's run this program. Uh, in our cell, then we'll check this out. Okay, nano irregular assets. Okay, this is the file program that we have written. Where it gives the option to enter the string, and we'll check uh, the given value input is the only letters or not. Let's make cs more plus x regular.ss dot slash regular.sh. Okay, you have to give either capital or small letter, but you have to keep the words ras. Okay, only letters. Enter ras, only letters. Again, let's run 1, 2, 3, 4, and it shows the invalid input. And this was what we were about to show you. And another is uh, use of the regular expressions to accept a string input and detect if it is a US mobile number or not. So for that, we are going to write the code nano detected assets bin bash. Now we'll be using the code over here. We'll be writing the code. So I have already written the code over here. And now, first of all, we will get the options to enter the phone numbers, enter US numbers, and here's the pattern for the US phone number that start with the either that can be +1 and the space, and there will be a 9 letters. First of all, of 3, 3, 3, and 4. Okay, phone number. We know that how the pattern works. So phone number would be of the 333 and 4 digit, and it can be 0 +1 is the extension, and we'll compare use the loop is if phone number is equals to equivalent patterns, then it will show valid US phone number, otherwise it will not. So let's save the file and make it executable and run the file. Okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a valid one. Again, let's try another one. +1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, +1 is not found. I think I made a mistake over here, something. Okay, that's fine. And again, I will run the code, and if we see, okay, I just enter something. I had nothing. So it's a US phone number, and if we enter just A B C D 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, this is invalid. And again, if we enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and this is also invalid. So this was what we were showing and detecting using the regular expression. Okay, moving on. Now we'll be doing some of the real world programming in the best scripting. Let's make a log analyzer. Have already made us. I have written a code over here, and output will be something like this. And we will do this in our prompt over here. Let's make a file, and then log analyzer.sh. Okay. So let's do this. All the things that we have learned till now will be applied over here. So let's do it very carefully. Bin, mm, bin bash. Okay, let's start. Okay, if let's say $1. Okay, the spaces that we have to give, we have to be very careful. Otherwise, it may give some of the errors while using it, while running it. Log file. Okay, exit one. We're closing the file. If statement. Now log file equals to one. Okay, I have already written the code over here. So, grep, we have used the grep, awk, sort, unic, sc tools. So, grep used for the pattern matching, awk is used for the field extraction, sort is used for the sort line and fields, and unix is used for the count occurrence. These are the things that we have already done. So for here we have already this is the these are the things that we have mentioned, and let's take what are what would be our output of here. Okay, this is the code that I have already used. So I have given the top five most frequently I used IP address. If we have used it, for that we have used the sort Unix and head command, and count each of the unique status. If that is for the web log, HTTP used, status summary, and most five used keywords in that file. Okay, so we have used the tool grep, awk, sort, and unique. These are the tools that we have already learned in the previous video, so we have used it over here. And let's check out the output of this file. What would be it? Okay, let's make it executable chmod plus x log analyzer dot slash log analyzer. Okay, I'm sorry. We have to give the name of the file. First of all, let's do ls. Which file do we want to give? Okay, any one of the above. Okay, 5.sh. Okay, here's the things. Total error lines are one. There's one total error line. Top five IP address we haven't used. We haven't used given that HTTP status. There isn't any use of the weblog, so there isn't anything about that. And top five key words that we have used is one, print, off, if, or analyzation is complete. Let's do for the another file that would be draft draft.assets. Okay, here error line are zero, and the top five keywords are temp file, echo, trap, file to These are the things that we have used. How many times we have used these source, that also given here. Top temp file we have used 6 times, echo we have used 6 times, and over here on the top we have used one as 7 times, print 3 times, and like this we have been using it. And for let's do the okay detect DTC detect assets over here. Also, we didn't have any errors, no IP addresses, no HTTP summary. Just we have top 5 keywords we have used, that are phone 5 times, 9 used 4 times, 0 used 4 times, number used 3 times, and 3 used 3 times. These are the things we have done till now. Okay, let's back to the presentation. Okay, file cleaner, another file, another program to clean the temporary or backup file, to detect if the file, uh, delete the file, like temporary file that has been created or the backup file that has been created. Let's do this back in the code form. Okay, let's run the code, how we will be doing that one. Nano, what is let's put, okay, file cleaner, let's put the name file. Okay, bean bash, this is always compulsory to write, so we'll be writing it. First of all, let's create a directory that we have to clean. Okay, so for, okay, let's make a comment also, dir or directory to clean, dir equals to dollar inside the Mozilla bracket, curly bracket, sorry, dash dot echo cleaning temporary backup file in dir. Inside this directory we are cleaning the naming this dir equals to, this means we are giving the name of the directory which should be clean. Okay, and we'll be doing more on that. Now we'll be now we are going to write the patterns of the file that should be deleted, the pattern of the temporary or the backup files that has to be deleted. Okay, patterns of file to be deleted. Deleted. Okay, let's write patterns equals to, I always have to write it in this form dot temp k dot pak. What else would be the file name or the file name? Okay, this one is usually happens in every file most of the times. Backup file in a temporary backup file, it used to be we may have a temp temp also dot temp also. We may also have swp and many others. Forget other one, we can count right that. Now let's counter it. Okay, deleted equals to 0 at the instant uh, for pattern in patterns 0. Oh, I'm sorry, not 0. At the rate, this means all inside the patterns. Okay. 2. We're running the for loop in the patterns of the all, checking all of these files. Then what will come out? Now we'll find and delete files matching the pattern. Okay. Uh, Let me write the comment. Now delete delete the files matching the patterns. Okay. Files equals to dollar. Find dollar dir. Type f as name. Okay, here inside the directory, type name, and those are the extension used over here. These are the patterns inside the all the files that you that has these patterns inside this directory should be deleted. For file in dollar files to echo removing all the files. Okay, rm dash f means remove. uh, this is the simple thing that we have always used to delete the file. And now we deleted plus plus. We'll be deleting this one. Increase done echo cleaning cleaning. Okay, clean up is complete. Clean up CMPLT complete. And dollar deleted file. I remember. Okay, let's save these files and make executable and run the file. Uh, okay, give the same name of the bash. I'm sorry, it's wrong. Let me check. Okay, what should be the mistake? I guess inside the pattern. This must be the mistake. Let me check it. Let's put all of this in the together form. Okay, we'll put it together. Okay. Uh, let's try to run the program. Slash file cleaner dot assets. Cleaning temporary backup file in that. Cleanup complete. 0 files removed. Okay. There weren't any of the files which are temporary or backup inside the folder, so the file cleaning or deleted would be 0 and removed would be 0. Okay, last but not the least, Let's do one more real world programming, that is validation seeker, if the given email or phone number is valid or not. Okay, for that, let's make a file. Mm-hmm. Validation seeker dot assets. Okay, let's write the code first. Being best as usual. Then uh, let's keep the user to write or enter the file phone number, email address, enter email address or phone number. Input, that would be input. And now let's simply write the prompt for the phone number and email addresses. Email, that would be dot plus uh, at the rate slash uh, phone number. These are the patterns that has already been specified. So I have just I'm just entering it. Uh, so there will be 0 to 9 numbers and valid for the 10 digits. Dollar sign. Okay. Okay. Now we are using the if condition to check either the given input is email or phone number or not. Okay. Our input equals to sure. Dollar email, then echo given. Okay. Enter value is valid email address. Okay. Elif same as the above. Dollar input. Phone number and echo enter value is valid phone number, else echo value is not valid email address or phone number. Okay, let's close the fields, then save the file, make the file executable, and okay, by the executions. Secret asset execution for the file not found. Let me check what's wrong on the file. Okay, here should be made a mistake, spelling mistake. Yes, it's best. Okay, let's run this file again. Here, slash LIDTR checker. Okay. AB ABC @gmail.com. It's valid 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. I didn't run the program first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. It's valid phone number, and now let's enter only this one. This is not valid phone number, email address. So the program can be executed properly, and it runs it to verify or validate either a given phone number or email address is valid or not. So this much for today. See you in the next video. If you liked my video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.